Yesterday I posted a video about the real Pennsylvania Railroad S2 turbine number 6200. I promised John Nittenberg that I would run a turbine today. I have a couple 671s. This one here is from 1949, and I just stuck it on the track, and unfortunately the lights burned out. I replaced the light, or the light's not working, I should say. I replaced the light bulb and it's still not working, so I got some other issue that I got to deal with. But I'm not going to let that hold up the video, so here you go, John. Now, this particular locomotive was made in 1949. It belonged to my father-in-law. He was the original owner. He bought it in 1949. It comes with a 6-wheel Pennsylvania tender. It's a really nice locomotive, and it runs great. I just don't know what happened to the light bulb. Anyway, there you go, John. Thanks for watching.